Greetings. I, Joseph Kerski, am very pleased to announce my book, Teaching Spatial Thinking with Geographic Information Systems from Edward Elgar Publishers, part of the exciting series, Elgar Guides to Teaching. Publication date, August 2026. Why this book? It focuses on the whys of where, key to understanding our 21st century world, transcending disciplinary boundaries and offering over 100 practical hands-on lessons in teaching spatial thinking through interactive maps made with Geographic Information Systems, or GIS. Using foundations in educational research and the UN SDGs, or Sustainable Development Goals, the included tools and methods cover scales from local to global, building skills in analysis, data fluency, and communication that are increasingly valued in our interconnected world. I model a holistic approach to examining problems and taking action. Yes, taking action, covering key topics including cultural studies, population change, natural resources, environmental justice, natural hazards, and other critical topics. Chapters further include approaches on how to collect, map, and analyze the findings of student investigation. The insightful methods of teaching in this book give scholars and academics in a variety of fields such as geography, GIS, environmental studies, ethics, geoscience, as well as sociology and business, the tools to provide students with a more engaging and interdisciplinary learning process. The book is online, so you can interact with the content, the data, the maps, the apps. It's also available in print form. Those are some of the key themes in this book, and I invite you to dig into it. I'm happy to answer any questions. Go out there and think spatially and teach spatial thinking with GIS. Thanks.